Hey, welcome to PR Learning Lab. My name is Simran Naudiyal, and today in this video we are going to discuss the drawing modes in Adobe Illustrator. Before I start, I kindly request you to please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications. So, let's start. Just look here at the bottom of the Tools panel. You will notice that here are three icons, and these are the drawing modes. First is the Draw Normal, which basically by default, when you draw any shape, as you draw the shapes, you will notice that they lay on top of each other. So this is the normal drawing mode. Now here, the next mode is Draw Behind. And if you select this mode, and then you will draw the shapes, you will notice that it will create the shapes behind each other, like this. So that is the second mode. Now, the third mode is Draw Inside, which will not be highlighted unless you draw the shape. So let's create a rectangle again. And then you will notice now that the Draw Inside mode can be selected. Once you select this mode, and now when you draw the shapes, it always draws inside the top shape, like this. The shape will never go out of that box unless you select the another drawing mode. And that's how you work with drawing modes in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.